Print statement is used to display the test number on the test output area. Print followed by the test number or the other symbols like are enclosed in are enclosed are enclosed in double quotes. Display them as they are. Print followed by an arithmetic expression, for example, addition, multiplication, division, or evaluate uh, the expression and display the results. For getting output, several print statements on the same line, use semicolon at the end of the each print statement. Okay. Division. Variable is a space in computer memory to store information. Each variable has a name for reference. Variable is the space in the computer